That is a nasty cold start. All right, what's up, guys? So today we're gonna be going to a car meet, and I'm gonna be meeting up with someone who has a GR86. And I've never seen a GR86 before. But before I go to the car meet, you guys know I work for a detail company. They gave me a massive like care package of detailing stuff for this car. So I'm gonna detail the car real quick. Before we do anything real quick, I just wanted to give a quick shout out. Heather, I heard how much you like the videos, and your husband and I were talking, and I just wanted to say thanks because I don't think I've ever seen somebody who enjoys my videos that much. So quick shout out there. So we're gonna get to detailing the car real quick. And also this car meet is in Scottsdale, so you know the cars are gonna be, my keys just fell out of my pocket. So you know the cars are gonna be good. Nasty JDM cars, there's gonna be muscle, there's gonna be supercars, there's gonna be everything. So real quick, let's detail this car so I don't show up looking like a scrub. I'm glad I'm not gonna be like completely stock while I'm there either. I mean, I've got the exhaust on it now, I have a couple little interior things I'm lowered, but I need wheels quick, but we're working on that. One last thing, I wanna say thanks because the last 2 videos have been doing fantastic, and I love all your guys' support in the comments. I literally read and try to respond to every single comment. I try to at least like or leave a heart on every comment. And I really appreciate you guys. You guys are helping me get closer to my goals every day. And speaking of goals, we're trying to get to 10K before the end of February, and I know we can do it. I know we can. We've been growing a lot through the past few days, so I just want to say a quick thank you to all you guys too. And also, if you're new here, definitely think about subscribing, helping us get to that 10K goal. We're trying to get there by the end of February, and it looks, by the way things are going, that we might get there. So if you're new here, definitely hit the subscribe button. And all right, I'm done with my rant. Let's wash my car. And this is what I mean by giant box of detailing stuff. They literally hooked me up. By the way, the brand is called Superior Image. They also got me some towels. I'll link their website down below if you want to check out any of this stuff. This stuff is literally the best detailing supplies I've ever used. All this stuff is like insane, and it all smells like you can eat it, but don't. Oh my god, it literally smells like candy. And I almost forgot about the glass cleaner. Gotta hook that up too. You can literally see the difference in where I actually did that. That's crazy. All right, car, oh, almost dropped that. Car looking fresh. I'm gonna bring these because I do need to get some product photos. Yo, what's up, dude? Yeah, I saw some bright orange McLaren. I'm like, I must be here. Dude, let me back in right here, sure. This is insane. My dream car. Well, my unrealistic / kind of realistic dream car. And a GR86. I've never seen a GR86 before in person, so this is gonna be cool. So this is Jake. Nice to meet you, Jake.
How's it going?
We're gonna roll up to this car meet together. I don't know who those cars are, but they're really nice. But Jake has a Toyota GR86, and I've never seen one in person before. He's already been pointing out a lot to me that I've never noticed before, like the DRLs in here only go up to here in the GR86, but in the BRZ they wrap like all the way around the top of the headlight.
So this is the base model. I kind of want to save the money on, you know, the seats. Seats are going to come out anyway. It's going to get some racing seats.
That's the same thing I wanted to.
The wheels were going, I knew. So, and then I got the premium spoiler on there as well. So
yeah,
I love to look at it. Kind of widens that back end quite a bit.
That was one thing I was saying too, is that I wish the BRZ had this too. So this didn't come on his car, but this is, you can get this with what is it, the premium version of the Toyota?
Yep,
comes with this.
Premium comes stock.
Yeah, but it's this really aggressive wing. It's like, I mean, you can really see it there. You can't really see it in other pictures that I've seen online, but in person, it's like, it's crazy. It really like extends the back end a
lot more aggressive in person. Yep.
Yeah, and I mean, compared to this, like, you know, it looks kind of flat now without the wing, but like, I need that. I'm waiting. Have you seen HKS? It was going to come out with a carbon one.
I have. Yeah.
I wanted that so bad.
I wanted to wait, but I got impatient.
I totally understand, and I love the wheels. What wheels are on this?
So these are Velox wheels. They actually stopped making them as of about 3 weeks ago. They're a pretty decent wheel. They're comparable to like an ESR wheel. Okay. A little heavier than the stock 17s it comes with. I put some pretty grippy Nitos on there, so.
Damn, those are fat, dude.
They, you know, a little wider wheel. I only went with an 8.5 width on there just because I want to make sure all the suspension clears and everything like that. Silver's Neomax suspension sitting in the garage. I got the parent exhaust coming on. Should be here in a couple weeks. Just put a Grimmspeed weighted shift knob, which
nice, dude.
I love. It's super heavy.
Oh, can I see that real quick, actually? So I actually just put the STI shift knob in my car, and I want to see the difference between the stock. Do you mind if I sit in there?
Yeah, go ahead.
Okay, cool. I want to see the stock. Okay, this is nice.
So, and you can unscrew it and feel the weight too. It's crazy.
This is nice. Okay, all right. So some do and some don't. Then I guess maybe the automatic has cup holders and this one doesn't. Because I've noticed. Have you ever seen in any other GR86s where they have a cup holder right behind, right here?
Yeah. So
is that in the automatic only?
Those come in the automatic. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
So,
all right.
And you can tell your hand would hit pretty easily if you had anything that cup holder, but it would be nice for a cell phone or something.
Yeah, and the seats are different too, and I noticed, so like the trim on your car is white, like the stitching and all that.
Yep.
And then if you want to come look at my car, it's a little bit different. Red? Yeah, it's red. Yeah. Feel around in there, and I got the SDI shift knob and all that stuff. Yeah. I like that one because it's lighter and it doesn't feel very tall. Yeah. Or no, it's very tall, and the other one's just kind of like, I don't know, low. But
I do like that, and it's got like a good grip. It's not like too massive or anything.
It's nice. But overall, I mean, these cars look pretty similar. I mean, I thought the GR86 had a cup holder in the middle, though.
No, yeah, just the automatic. Subtle difference is, like, we have the GR logos on the push button start.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, so I actually just did the STI stop-start button there, too. I don't know if you noticed that.
Yeah, I saw that. Yeah. But I like your seats a little better because the stitching gives it a little more, like, depth to it. And the design on this is supposed to be the G for GR. Okay. And so the design is in the seat and on the front bumper. It's supposed to be a G.
Oh, that, like the pattern in here? Oh, I didn't even notice that.
G over and over and over.
Oh, okay.
So, I don't know if I personally see it.
I was gonna say I can't see it too much, but like I'm sure the idea is there.
It's supposed to wrap around somehow with a little G right there. But I like your seats a little better. I like the premium. Obviously, the Alcantara is nice. But the heated seats are about 20 pounds heavier on each one, so you're adding.
Oh, really?
From what I read, so you're adding about 40 pounds of weight. Premium on my car. Limited on your car.
Yeah, right. It's backwards. Yeah, I didn't even notice that. With the BRZ and the GR86, the limited premium and limited are swapped. Like, so on my car, the premium is the version with the cloth seats, not the Alcantara seats. And on this car, the premium is the version with the Alcantara seats, which is kind of weird. I don't understand why they flopped them like that. But and actually, we were going to tour apartments the other day, and I actually saw another one of these. Which I've never seen that before.
This is the first BRZ I've seen here, which is surprising because they came out a lot earlier.
Yeah, they did. Yeah, when did you get this?
About 3 weeks ago.
3 weeks? Okay, yeah, it's February. Yeah, I got mine 3 months ago.
3 months ago?
Yeah, it's I think the VIN said it was the 400 one or the 400, but I ordered it back in like August. So
got a buddy who owns a shop called Force Air Technologies. We're planning on doing an HKS kit on this. I don't think I want to run anything crazy right now, so I'm going to run it on stock internals, you know, maybe a little over 300 horsepower, 350 or so. Just to kind of see how it does with this new platform. Eventually you get bored of power. Yeah. And I'll probably end up rebuilding it, building all the internals, you know, JE pistons, Eagle rods, ACR bearings. But for now, it's gonna go simple, forced induction, HKS kit.
Was it the turbo or the supercharger?
I'm gonna go turbo.
Okay, turbo. All right.
And then I'll do a flex fuel on 85.
I'm waiting for somebody to mention E85 tuning for these cars because like I want to start doing that with this car. And then also I was talking to you a little bit about what I'm not gonna say it because I want to keep it kind of a secret. But I was talking to you about something about forced induction to these cars. But I want to see how yours turns out. And then I want to see like how it feels with that. But I think right now we're gonna roll to the meet. I don't know if these guys are coming with us or not, but I'm gonna pick the camera back up at the meet. RIP McLaren, get a load of this. Second, but there's a GTR T-Spec here. I don't know if you know what that is, but there's like either one of 100 of them or one of 80 of them or something like that. Ridiculous. I have to show you this. That is insane. These cars are super rare and they just came out. I don't exactly know what's different about these cars, but really special to see that. Got a stock Supra too, literally almost as rare as the T-Spec. Oh yeah, Tomei baby. See you later, man. Dude, I don't think we're gonna be able to get.
You gotta rev it more.
I'll do it on the pass right here. There we go. All right, you saw what time it is. I am about to go to the gym, but I have a problem. And it's that. When I got this exhaust, it actually came with a silencer. And I want to see if I can use it just for the startup. So I'm gonna try and put this on the car and see if it actually makes it quieter. I mean, it should. It's literally built to do that. Probably woke up the whole neighborhood. My bad. Yeah, probably just woke up everybody, and yeah, okay, I'm gonna leave now. Yeah, okay, that's true. That's true. This is my grandpa, by the way, everybody. Roger. People on YouTube. I can't believe that just happened. I hope you enjoyed that. That was literally the dumbest thing. I mean, like, duh, it comes with hardware. I don't know what I was thinking. I thought it would just stay in there and not fly out. It was super snug. Snug enough to where I was like, yeah, there's no way that's coming out, but obviously it did. I'm headed to the gym, trying not to piss any more people off. I'll get back at you guys in a minute. Literally the only one here right now, but we here. Let's get it. Did you hear me start my car, dude?
No.
Dude, I woke up the whole freaking neighborhood. Also, I gotta show you guys the new editing setup. Got us here a little Mac Mini, 16 gigs of RAM. Got a nice curved monitor. Let me turn my keyboard on. And I have one of these weird mice things. It's like one of those ergonomical ones, and you have like the thumb scroller and the finger scroller, and then if you hit this button right here, the wheel will just continuously spin. It's crazy. So I'm gonna end this vlog here. I hope you guys enjoyed me absolutely blasting everybody's ears earlier. So with that, we'll see you guys later. Yo, chuck a deuce up, end this vid.